Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. So in this video we will discuss about the reproductive health, which is your chapter 4 of 12th class NCERT biology book. So in this video we will discuss this chapter in details, and here I have listed many key points to remember. So you must watch this before your board exams, 12th class board exams. So let's start. At first, what is reproductive health? The complete well-being with respect to all aspects of reproduction like physical, emotional, behavioral and social is called reproductive health. A society with people having physically, functionally normal reproductive organ as well as normal interactions with respect to behavior and emotion among them is called reproductively healthy society. Reproductive health problems and strategy. In 1951, the strategy of family planning were introduced in India, whose main objective to achieve total reproductive health, and these strategies were evaluated every now and then. Reproductive and child health care programs. These are being introduced in order to create awareness among people about various reproduction related aspects and in building a reproductively healthy society by providing facilities and support. Then steps to achieve reproductive health. Use of audio, visual and print media by the government and non-government agencies to create awareness program. Young adult and children must provide with correct information by responsible adult, teacher, parent, close relatives, friends, along with the open dialogue to make them aware about reproductive health. Sex education needs to be introduced in school and colleges. Then awareness must be created about sexually transmitted disease or STD. There is a need to educate people about birth control options, pre and post postnatal care, along with importance of child care, especially for fertile couples and marriageable individuals. They must be made aware of importance of breastfeeding, and all of this will result in the development of conscious and healthy society and family. You must be made aware of the problem related of population explosion, sex related crime, sex abuse. To successfully implement the health plans, there must be availability of professional expertise, provision and availability of strong infrastructural facilities and material support. Facilities that provide must be newer and upgraded version of the existing one in accordance with the need of reproductive health. Complete ban on fetal sex determination to check female feticide, which is amniocentesis. Then large scale child immunization program. So to know the sex of the newborn baby when it is inside the mother's womb is called as amniocentesis. So it is completely banned now. Then certain factors need to be under check in order to decrease the rate of maternal and infant mortality. So these factors are awareness must be created related to matters of sex. Deliveries need to be medically assisted. Better postnatal care. Then indicator to indicate the improved reproductive health of the society are smaller family, early detection and cure of sex related diseases, then overall increased medical facility. Then population explosion and birth control. After the end of World War II, there is a rapid growth in population of certain species, especially human being in world, leading to increase in birth rate and a decrease in maternal and infant and child rate. This will also result in increase in life expectancy of humans. This will result in increased stress on overall resources, cause the rapid decrease in death rate, rapid decrease in maternal motility rate, that is MMR, and infant motility rate, which is IMR. Then increase in period of life expectancy, increase in number of people belonging to reproducible age. So what are the methods to control population explosion? Promoting smaller family, promoting use of contraceptive methods, increase legal age of marriage, which is 18 years for female and 21 years for male, appreciative measures towards couples with smaller family. Then ideal contraceptives. What are the characteristic features of an ideal contraceptive? That should be used easily, available easily, should be effective, side effect must be absent or minimum, should be reversible, should not be affect the desired sexual drive and other act of an individual. Then method of contraception, it may be natural or traditional, many barriers are there. Then IUDs, oral contraceptive, injectable and implants, surgical methods. So these are some natural method like periodic abstinence, withdrawal or coitus interrupts, and lactation amenorrhea, which can prevent from the pregnancy. Then barriers, several barriers are there. Then IUD, which is intrauterine device, which can be used to prevent the pregnancy. Then many oral contraceptives are there, pills are there. Then certain injections are now available, which can be taken by the female on the skin to prevent the pregnancy. Then many surgical methods are there. Then two methods such as vasectomy and tuberectomy. In vasectomy, the vas deferens of male reproductive system are cut with the help of small incision in the scrotum, then tied up. And tuberectomy, the fallopian tube of female reproductive system are cut with the help of small incision in the abdomen or vagina and tied up. These methods are highly effective method of contraception, but chances of their reversibility are very poor. Then medical termination of pregnancy, it is a very important point, and it is the induced abortion where pregnancy is terminated intentionally before the full term completion. Medical termination of pregnancy is used for the purpose of decreasing the population growth. It sometimes play major role in decreasing the population. In 1971, the use of medical termination of pregnancy was legalized by Government of India, along with certain strict provisions to prevent its misuse. Then sexually transmitted disease, the infection or disease that are transmitted through sexual activity or intercourse are responsible for infecting the reproductive tract of a person are called sexually transmitted disease or STD or venereal disease or reproductive tract infection. Some of the examples are given here. So the examples of STD are gonorrhea, genital herpes, syphilis, etc. Then how to prevent it? To avoid sex with stranger and multiple partners, use condom during coitus must be checked. If slight irritation is observed, contact the doctor and expert. Then what is infertility? The inability to produce children even after the process of unprotected coitus is called infertility. The reasons leading to infertility can be physical, disease, congenital, immunological, drug, even physiological. So what is in vitro fertilization? It is the process involves the method of fusion of gametes outside the body, mainly in laboratories, where the conditions that are similar to body are maintained. Fertilized zygote formed will then delivered as a result in the formation of embryo, which is then transferred to uterus of the female. So it is the process of in vitro fertilization. Then zygote intrafallopian transfer. In this process, transfer of zygote or early embryo or up to 8 blastomere stage into fallopian tube. Transfer of zygote or early embryo to fallopian tube of the female is performed. Then intrauterine transfer, it involves transfer of embryo into uterus of the female with more than 8 blastomeres. Then gamete intrafallopian transfer, this process involves the collection of ovum from the donor female and then introduced to other female who cannot produce ovum, but internal body conditions are suitable for the process of fertilization and embryo development. So it is gamete intrafallopian transfer, which is GIFT. Then intracytoplasmic sperm injection, in this process sperms are directly injected to ovum of the female that result in the formation of embryo in laboratory. Then another technique is artificial insemination. It involves the collection of semen that consists of sperm from either husband or healthy male donor that is injected to either vagina or uterus. So all these methods are performed by a certified expert who are highly experienced with all technology used and also require instruments that are quite expensive. Another good option for couple who desire children is to legal adoption. So it is all about your reproductive health. In my next class, I will discuss another chapter of your class 12 NCERT biology book. So stay tuned and enjoy my videos like this, and please like, share with other students and subscribe. Thank you.